Hello, hello.
Oh, fuck. It actually works. God damn it.
The following program is intended for mature audiences.
You ever seen Gordon Ramsay eat more than a forkful of anything? Because I've been watching Kitchen Nightmares like a fucking madman, and I haven't.
Welcome.
Oh, the suspense is killing me, bro. I can't do it. I can't do it anymore. I have to know what the fuck is this band all about. I can't take it. I know I need to do the Jess album. I'm gonna get to all that, dude. I'm just trying to do it in a fashion where I'm not gonna be like, oh, fuck this shit, you know? Basically what it is.
What are you selling?
Podcast is out. Working on number 20 right now. Saturdays, iTunes, rate it, Spotify, blah blah blah. You already know, and if you don't know, I just fucking told you. So, if you don't go and listen to it,
Fucking bullshit!
you have no excuse now, man. You know what it is, yeah? I know.
Cool story, bro.
Play the fucking video. It's what we're here for. I almost used a word I can't use anymore. If I refer to myself as one, does that still count? It shouldn't. Such a great fucking word too, dude. It has feeling in it, has emotion in it. God damn it. For the record, this countdown makes me uncomfortable. I just want everybody to know that. I'm not kidding. Oh, shit. Where's it gonna be? I don't like the. Can I tap out of the video now, please? I'm uncomfortable and I don't like it. Seriously, I don't want to do this. Oh,
Fuck everyone.
this is bullshit, man. Why are you doing this to me right now? No. Are you fucking crazy? Slow death, dude. I'm no wonder why it's 2 minutes and 15 seconds long.
Whoa, what?
I know. It's fucking. Hey, I got a hit song for you right now. You ready? Hold on. Timing is off. God damn it.
Wait a minute.
We'll get it back. We'll get it back. I promise. Alright, this band can go fuck itself. Sorry, dude. This is possibly one of the worst things I've ever heard in my life. Ugh. Dude, the video is fantastic. That's not the problem. When I put on your record, I want to hear good music. If I wanted to watch a fucking movie, I'd go to the Sundance Festival. Huh? Fuck, man. God damn it. Look, and I know I just pissed a gang of people off. I don't care. You don't appreciate metal. No shit. Not that. What is this? Fuck off. Jesus, man. I can't, dude. I can't.
What don't you fucking understand?
That's not music, bro. Get off my lawn. That's not music. Oh no. Alright, where am I going? I'm picking something else and I'm keeping it in the same video because I'm not doing double the work because that band sucks. I know. I'm great, right? Fucking monkeys. Let's see what you guys are all about. Hopefully we don't go 0 for 2 here. Okay. Is there a song? When the sun goes down. Alright. Alrighty then. We will do this. We will do this. We will do this. I must space that. Yeah. Good job. We got it. Alright. Alright. Now there's a good chance this might not happen.
Come back and I'll treat you nice. I won't bite. I'll do it nice and slow for ya.
What?
Holy Jesus. What is that?
I know how to make a bunch of people uncomfortable, don't I? What?
Come back and I'll treat you nice. I won't bite. I'll do it nice and slow for ya.
So who's that girl there? I wonder what went wrong so that she had to roam the street.
Oh my god, you look like somebody I know. Holy shit. Holy shit, who the fuck do you look like?
Your credit cards, I doubt she does receipts. It's all not quite
Dude, stand still, love, so I can take a good look at you. Who the fuck do you remind me of? Holy shit.
What a scummy man. Just give him half a chance. I bet he'll rob you if he can.
I know who you remind me of. This freak that my mom is dating. They're real cunt scumbag. That's beside. It's not. Ugh, that sounds bad. Trust me when I tell you. He should fucking dry rot, dude. Piece of shit. I can't even. I really probably can't even. I definitely can't give my reasonings, but trust me when I tell you, it's beyond anything that is standard, and that looks like his niece. Oh, what a cunt. I hate that fucking guy, dude. Just let me put it to you this way. Every person that has ever met this guy that I've been around has been like, something about that guy. Can't put my finger on it, but I know what it is, but I can't prove it, so I gotta keep my fucking mouth shut. But believe me, the second to fucking rap for that guy, dude.
And see it in his eyes, yeah, that he's got a driving ban amongst some other offences. And I've seen him with girls of the night, and he told Roxanne to put on her.
Oh my god, is that fucking... That guy plays Al Capone, right? Hold the fuck... Oh, you didn't think I knew about that, did you? Look, dude. That's the same cat, is it not the same cat? See him there? Now look at him here.
Fences. And I've seen him with girls of the night, and he told Roxanne.
Come on, bro, that's the same guy, dude. There's no way it's not the same cat. Holy shit.
To put on her red light.
That's awesome, dude. That's awesome. Even if I don't like this song, I'm happy to see that that guy is working, because Boardwalk Empire, while it was slow as certain parts of that show, was fucking amazing, dude. Because Atlantic City is right around the way from me. It's not far. It's like an hour with traffic. It's a huge spot, dude. So for them to do a story about real gangsters and prohibition and shit like that, serious. Really good though, dude.
They're all infected, but he'll be alright, 'cause he's a scumbag, don't you know?
Was he killing these women?
I said he's a
Raping them?
scumbag, don't you know?
I was expecting like the beginning of this sounds like a 311 vibe a little bit, but now it seems like it's gonna go into some fucking Mighty Mighty Boss tones type shit. Or Dropkick Murphys. Almost said Drop Dead Murphys. That's the ripoff parody band that plays at the bar. Get it?
Although you're trying not to listen, avert your eyes and staring at the ground. She makes a subtle proposition. I'm sorry, love, I'll have to turn you down.
Okay. If we're gonna be honest, look, I don't lie to you people. I never have, and I'm not gonna start now. I would not listen to this on my own. However, if I was at a party with a certain group of people, you know, guys that skateboard and shit, and ladies, whatever, I don't know too many of you, so there's that. But I'm saying, in the right setting, if this shit was playing, having like evening drinks and shit, you know, if you're hanging out, I can see this playing in somebody's living room at like a small house party or whatever. Smoke a little bit of weed. Not that I can. I fucking wish that I could. Jesus.
Oh, we must be up to summer. What are the chances? Sure, it's more than likely. I've got a feeling in my stomach. I start to wonder what his story might be. What his story might be.
Is that a gremlin? No.
Yeah, they said it changes when the sun goes down. And they said it changes when the sun goes down. Around here. Around here.
I know that trick. Dude, my buddy, one of my childhood friends, unfortunately, we don't talk anymore. You know, it is what it is, dude. You know, you're not going to be able to bring everybody with you through your journey, even if you've known them since the fucking 5th grade, man. Sometimes you just grow apart with people, but, you know, it sucks, but there's nothing you can do. Whatever he's doing, I hope that he's okay and he's doing well. Anyway, now that I fucking bummed everybody out, let's hit a random button. Alright.
No.
That's better. Fucking guy gets me every time, dude. Okay. The trick with that is you would set a piece of paper on fire, right? And then you throw it into the metal compartment, and then you slam it down, and then when you pull it up, a fucking white dove comes out. That was the trick. And if you don't know much about, let me see if I can find it, man. I know I'm all over the fucking place. I'm sorry. Look, this is what I do. Hold on. I wouldn't even know, how do you put that? Magic trick. Now let me see if I can find it. Is this it? No, that stupid fucking thing is not it. Damn it, man. I don't know what that trick is called anymore. It's been such a long time. Are you doing it? Yeah, this fucking knob is doing it. Who are you, a real magician, dude? For real? What? Alright, we gotta give this man some if he's good at what he does, let me give you your screen back. If this guy pulls this trick off well, we gotta get him some exposure, huh? Maybe he's not a magician anymore, I don't know. Oh, 2013, probably not. Damn, dude, magician is a hard deal. Let's see if you're any good. Oh, don't move it while it's on fire. Rookie mistake. Why are you going so slow? Bird. See? Not bad, dude. Delivery needs to tighten up a little bit though, man. You touched it when it was on fire. You should have already had that centered in the middle of the table. Maybe there's a reason why you didn't do that, but you're gonna catch your shirt on fire and traumatize a whole bunch of kids. However, I like your spirit, and no likes, that's a fucking shame, dude. Huh? Well, I can't spell. And I can't hit the fucking button. There you go. You got a like and a comment. Hopefully that will make your day a little bit nicer. And now everybody at home is going, dude, what are we doing, bro? You're looking at magic tricks. It's a 3-minute video. You should have been done with it 5 minutes ago. Magician's assistant saw you in half. That's him, dude, all day. Get the fuck out of here, that's the same guy. Huh? No way. Damn it. Yeah, dude, all day it's the same guy. Is that the band? Is that the band? Is that the band? Whoa. He plays a good asshole. Ugh. That's, can you imagine? He looks like the type of guy that would hold a machete with one hand to your neck while he's trying to munch your box, you know? Great actor, though. I seen him in one thing. Why are you beating up the guy trying to help you, you fucking retard?
Just give him half a chance, I bet he'll rob you if he can. And see it in his eyes, yeah, that he's got a nasty plan. I hope you're not involved at all.
Holy fucking gothic. Alright. But like I said, dude, what else are you recommending to me? I will do one other one just so I can see what they're all about. Is that the... No, that wasn't the end screen one. Okay, I'm just gonna skim through this one because this is supposed to be a quick little video, and you know, here I am going all over the place, and it's exactly why I have the podcast, dude, so that I don't have to feel bad about fucking sidetracking on shit. I could just do whenever I feel like. Okay. Oh, you know what, dude? You I'm gonna take a shot in the dark here. And I'm gonna say, I think this tells me a lot about who you are as a person, dude. Is this your go-to music? Because this seems like you are upbeat kind of a person, but it's also a little grimy, so you got a little bit, you're not polished up, I don't think. I know you don't take any shit, but I mean, this is kind of like a view into your personality. I'm doing a shit job of explaining it, but I think I know who you are in my head, like this. Can you imagine if fucking, what's his name, from the Dead Zone did this, and every time he did that, he saw shit?
Remember when you used to be a rascal? Gonna get it.
Okay.
Wishing that you'd rather just forget. It's just a memory and those dreams. When as daft as they seem, as daft as they seem, my love.
I like the videos, dude. Is that the same fucking guy again? That would be awesome. He looks like he's got that anger, the Al Capone anger on his face. That'd be fucking great. Is he in this band? Song is clearly about changes that you go through as you grow up. The clown represents childish things like your imagination, creativity, childishness, etc. Men in a suit represent things you have to accept as an adult: responsibility, work, seriousness. As you grow up, these things conflict with one another. Eventually, there's only one left. Video also extremely sad, and one of the saddest I've seen. The clown is personified and is losing his best friend only cause his friend is growing up and leaving the clown. Hence the clown is singing the lyrics, "Where did you go?" That's the story of the music video, not the lyrics. Well, I like that. I like the idea of that. Is this how Mafia works? Ronald McDonald left the chat. I mean, these guys are interesting, dude. Like I said, definitely they have a house party vibe to them. And I'm not talking about get hammered. I mean, have a couple of drinks, maybe smoke a little bit of bud, get a buzz on, not crazy, and then maybe go out and do some shit. Hit the pool hall, play billiards, whatever you call it. I don't know what you guys call it out in England, but, or the UK rather, wherever you are. That's what I would do. This is like some bowling music also, though, kind of. You know, just anything that is kind of chilled and relaxed seems like this would be good for that. So, thank you.
Nice lady.
Appreciate the suggestion there. I know I got a bunch of other shit to do, so I will do that. I'll probably skim through a little bit more of their music when I'm done with this, but I'm gonna try to upload it just to see how this is gonna go. If you see it, you know it went well. If you don't, you'll hear from me later. So with all that being said, Saturday's the podcast. Check it out. Dig through the old videos. I got a shit ton of stuff in there that if this is your first time here, bro, I go everywhere. So check it out, dude. Appreciate it. Catch you guys Saturday.